Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. I'm trying to get it together here. Uh, yeah, Monday, November 23rd, 2020. For the last, I don't know, maybe hour, I've been in a state of high anxiety. Henceforth, why my room is dark a little bit. Why would Greg be in a state of high anxiety? Well, because it appears that for the next 4 years at least, I will have to look at the face of Janet Yellen. Yeah, you heard that. I thought we were rid of this it thing. But no, it's come back like a nightmare. It appears that President-elect Joe Biden is going to pick Janet Yellen as his Treasury Secretary. Lovely. Well, I can tell you what is lovely, I guess, is you can expect the stock market to go beyond Pluto. You remember Pluto was a planet, then it wasn't. I don't even know what it is now. It's a thing way, way out there, you know. That's kind of where the stock market is going to go because of Yellen. And seriously, you don't understand. I got to calm down. I'm starting to sweat. I have to hear Janet Yellen again. Oh my God. Sorry. I did not mean to take say that, but I need some alcohol or something. Anyway, let's talk a little more. Let's talk about this market today. The market today pretty much ended where it started. We had a gain today across the board. Dow put on like 300 and something points, but the stock market went negative at one time today. I was short this market twice. Pulled out a nice profit. My Lions did the same thing. I told all of you, in the video that I did this morning that I would be short this market, and I got short this market just like I said I would. Put it right out on my newsletter. Link in the description of this video. We got short. We slaughtered this market, and then it turned around. Because it's back. It's coming back. I can't believe it's coming back. I can't freaking believe it's coming back. But what else would you expect? I've outlined for you, all of you, that beyond parabolic debt is coming. Well, if you had even a shred of doubt that parabolic debt is about to hit us all, well, now we have the most perfect person to help that occur. Her, it, the thing, whatever she is. Yeah, I can't even speak English. I don't even know what that was. This is the truth. So, let's talk a little further. We had... You know what? Instead of doing that, I want to do a little blow by blow with you today. I'm on the edge here. I'm teetering on the edge of sanity. My mask is about to slip. Okay, here we go. So this morning, I mean, it was beautiful. You know, stock futures higher across the board. Great news on a vaccine. We had Bill Gates out today saying he wants to vaccinate the world. Vaccinate the world. Well, if that's what you're into, I don't know what to tell you. I don't go that way. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. Okay, like I said, I'm on the edge today. I'm on a knife's freaking edge here. I almost feel lethal, on the verge of frenzy. Yeah. Anyway, with that aside, stock futures were higher on all the amazing news. This is the third Monday in a row, in case you haven't been counting, that positive vaccine news has been floated out over the weekend to push the stock market up. Well, that's what they did today. We'll get the same thing on next Monday. You do realize that. It's the same scenario. Problem, reaction, solution. Create a problem. We know this is all engineered. Make people afraid of it. Reaction. Solution. We got it for you. And they are on some kind of a mission right now. And then, of course, they have their spokesperson, Mr. Bill Gates himself. Some of you love the guy. You think he's, like the second coming here. Well, you're allowed to have your interpretation of whatever that may be, but I don't feel that way. And, of course, I know I'll get beat up for that. I know that Bill Gates has a fan club. It's pretty big. Anyway, so yeah, that's what they did this morning, and they managed to really, they got a little rally here out of this market. Now, oil prices rise, remain buoyed on vaccine progress. So now they're using the vaccine to prop up crude oil, for which it did end up higher today. It was lovely. How's about this one? Treasury yields rise on vaccine optimism. Do you see a common thread here? I think you do. Okay. Now, I want your opinion on this one, because I have called out Jim Cramer several times. I know he's a trader. I think he's a trader. Well, he says he is. I am a real trader. I don't know what Jim Cramer actually is or may be. On a percentage basis, I'd be willing to bet that I have outperformed Jim Cramer's funds probably by a large margin this year. But that's neither here nor there. This is Jim Cramer. I want you to pay attention to this. The man said this live on CNBC. Quote, "We need the government to tell us what to do." Jim Cramer, sir, how about no? No. I forget about it. Now, let's move a little forward here. Let's talk about Goldman Sachs again, because we heard from two banks today. Goldman Sachs is now cutting its fourth quarter and first quarter GDP forecasts, saying, we're not doing too well. And Morgan Stanley today did say that they believe a short-term correction is coming. However, I would be willing to bet that whoever said that, now that they realize that her thing, Yellen, is now taking over the Treasury, at one point here soon, I wonder if they're going to rethink their forecast here with regard to debt and this market. This is a game changer. This is some kind of a game changer, and we will reevaluate. Again, I've been a longer-term bull in this market. I've been short-term bearish. I started shorting this market Thursday. I shorted. I made a profit. Friday, shorted, made a profit. Today, shorted, made a profit. That's 3. All right. Several trades during those 3 trading days. Let's move forward because it gets even more lovely. So gold and silver got hit today as the dollar reversed. Dollar ended up putting on a gain today. Let them play their game. We will play ours. And for my Lions here, I'm going to read this to you one more time, okay, in case you forgot. Lions, this is me. Never lose sight of what your number one job is as a trader. You pull profits. It is never wrong to pull profits. You understand? I think you get it. Now, I want to talk about a couple of other things here. Here, I told you about Morgan Stanley. I'm reading this. Morgan Stanley expects a stock market correction in the short term. Okay. I don't know. How about this one? This is time.com. As Congress fails to act, only the Fed can save the economy. How? By creating more cash out of thin air? Adding more debt? How does this save the economy? I think what they're trying to say is it will boost the stock market to Pluto and beyond. Look, they can't tell you the truth. They can't do it. And they just never will. And earlier I warned you, my Lions, the pump I wrote this, Lions, an effort to prop up stocks is underway. If you have not already, I would suggest closing the SPY puts we opened earlier. Pull profits. I mean, you know, I nailed it to the wall. And here we go. Here's him. Again, you know what? I'm going to show you who him is. Let me see if I can make this work. Just bear with me a minute here. I want to show this to you. This is him. Here we go. Here. Let me see what here. This is him. You know, hold on. I can't see. Yeah, this is him. I don't know if you can see down here. It says vaccinate the world. Look down there. Vaccinate the world. Vaccinate the world. Vaccinate the world. The world. Vaccinate the world. It's just beautiful. Ooh, let's play. Let's play with Bill. I told you. Wow, it got dark in here. Hi. It's still me. It really is. All right. Before I really lose it, let's kind of summarize here. Okay. Yeah. Little rally on Wall Street. We got, I can't even say it, people. 4 years now of yelling. Oh, you know, look, for the market, for us lions out here, it's lovely, I guess. You know, you can expect, you know, she's a super dove. So, I mean, you know, look, this is a no-brainer. You're going to continue to do what we've been doing, betting against the debt, become your own central bank, trade this market, hold cryptos. Cryptos are doing phenomenal. Again, I know a lot of you like me to mention XRP. Doing great. I love it. Does that make you feel good? Yeah, I do own it as well, so I'm a happy guy. Anyway, look, I think this video has been kind of important, kind of long too. I know I had a little bit of a meltdown here. But what would you expect? How could anyone that follows this market to the degree that I follow it remain sane? I don't know. Really. I'm not. I am literally losing my freaking mind. And I'm glad you can witness this. I'm out of here. Please share the video. Love you a lot. See you in the morning.